Hello, this is Brock with Heritage Tractor. I'm going to walk through a Advanced TCM calibration on a Gen 4 monitor. I'm going to hit Menu, Applications. I'm going to scroll down until I see StarFire. Pop this up, and then the Advanced TCM Calibration. I'm going to select that. This walks you through the instructions and explains everything. But we're going to hit Begin Cal. I'm going to have to turn on my AutoTrac, hit Next. It needs an A-B heading set up, so I set my A. I'm going to go ahead and hit Done. That's going to take me straight forward. We're good to go. I'm going to start moving. I have to maintain less than 3 mile an hour or 4 mile an hour, and I hit the resume button. So I'm lined up and going, and now after I pass the A point, my calibration starts. The percentage is going to run up to 50% by the B point, and then I'm going to turn around, keeping my speed below 4 miles an hour, hit resume, and drive back to where I started. When you are doing this with an implement on, I highly suggest nice wide, smooth turns. I'm going to get myself lined back up with the path I was just on. And I should be able to hit my resume button. Again, I'm going to pass that little red dot on the monitor, and then my percent complete will continue to increase. Clear that out. Calibration was successful.